So over here you can see that I have a project file, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and bring in some objects. Let me just close this and bring in, let's say, this tree right here. Let me just go around and bring in this shape right here. Let me just go around, bring in this triangular shape as well. And let me just go around and bring in some other shapes right here as well. Let me just go around and bring in this tree. So you can see that I have a bunch of colors right here on this particular design. I'm also going to go around and bring in, let's say, this text right here. So I'm just going to drag this in. You can see that the colors used in these particular trees and then whatever graphics that we have right here are different. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around onto photos now, and let's just go around and bring in this image right here. So what I want is I want the overall colors of this particular layout to match up the colors in this particular picture. As long as it is a picture, what you can do from VistaCreate is let VistaCreate sample out the colors automatically so that all of the colors of the other objects are changed as per it. So to do that, I'm going to go around, select this image and click on apply colors from image, and you can see that it detected the image colors. If I were to click on it, now you can see that it applies the image colors onto all of the object. You can click on it right here, and you can see that as I click on it, it shuffles to the same colors. And you can go around and stop at the color scheme that you want to apply to the design right here. Click on it, and you can see that you can go through the same colors right here, just like this. And you can give the style of this particular image right here onto different images. Let me just delete this and bring in this nature image that I have right here. And if I were to go around and do the same, I can see the image colors. You can shuffle it, and now you can see that the same colors are applied as I click on shuffle right here. And that is how you can apply out colors from image in your designs from inside of VistaCreate. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.